Sporulating Fruiting Lichen Cups. This is a cherry tree trunk that everyone walks by. Nobody goes up close to see what's on it. Unobtrusive, but if you get up close you see lichen growing on the bark, and they are very beautiful. In this case they are fruiting cups of the lichen, and these are also called fruiting bodies. Lichens are the fifth fungal kingdom, the fifth kingdom on earth, and they can digest cellulose. That's why they're growing on the bark of this tree and living and reproducing off of the cellulose. And you can see all the little spores. Each will be blown away and start a new lichen somewhere else. Each of those little dots on the cup are spores.
Medical toxicology, Gary J. Ordog, MD.